U visas. We talk about them quite a bit. Why? Because they're very powerful. It is, for many, the only option they have to try to live and work legally in the United States. U visas are intended for victims of crimes, certain crimes, to be able to qualify for a temporary protection that leads to a green card and eventually to citizenship. So victims of certain crimes need to get the local police or court to support their request and to confirm that they were victimized and that they participated in trying to track down the perpetrator and a few other things. So there's a whole list of crimes, but there's three that people don't think of very often. One is blackmail. Blackmail is when somebody else threatens you if you don't do something for them, okay? Fill in the blank. There's a lot of examples of blackmail, but basically someone tells you, you do this or I will do something to harm you. For immigrants, a lot of times it's, I'm going to call ICE on you, okay? That's blackmail. It's illegal. Another is stalking. So many undocumented families or individuals put up with this kind of stuff because they don't want to talk to the police. They don't want to be recognized or seen, or they just want to live their lives. So people take advantage of that and do weird things like stalking. Stalking is usually following somebody, calling them repeatedly, sending unwanted messages, whether they're social media, text messages, emails, or they just happen to be in the same place as you all the time. Stalking is a big deal. It's dangerous. Usually it's a precursor to doing other things like violent acts. So people don't think about that because they just want to go home, they want to be left alone, and they want to forget about it. Stalking, it's a big deal. The third, actually this is probably overlooked more than most crimes, which is crimes that children of immigrants suffer. So whether your child is a U.S. citizen or also an undocumented immigrant, if they're attacked by somebody, they're victimized, the parent can file for immigration protection under the U visa process and eventually get a green card, okay? The reason for this is because anything that happens to a child is pretty much happening to the parent too. If you have any children, you know how true that is. So this particular process only applies to minor children. So if you have a child over the age of 18 who is attacked or suffers some indignity, you're not going to be able to apply for U visa status. So it's only if your children are minors. So again, blackmail, stalking, or crimes perpetrated against your minor child. Check it out. Contact us. Very powerful tools that will allow you to do a lot of things in the United States, including get a work permit, driver's license, eventually a green card, and eventually citizenship. Give us a call. We'd love to help you protect yourself and qualify for these benefits.